Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Kense and today's video topic is Sdlc, that is Software Development Life Cycle. Sdlc is a process that create a structure of development of software. There are different phases within Sdlc, and each phase has its various activities. It takes the development team able to design, create, and deliver high quality products. Sdlc describe various phases of software development and the order of execution of phases. Each phase requires deliverable from the previous phase in a life cycle of software development. Requirements are translate into design into development, and development into testing, and after testing it is given to the client at different phases of the software development cycle. And requirement phase, design phase, build development phase, and testing phase, development and delivery phase, and last one is maintenance. So uh, first is requirement. This is the most phase of the software development life cycle for the developing team as well as for the project manager. During this phase, the client state requirements, specifications and expectations, and any other special requirement related to the product or a software. All these are gathered by the business manager or project manager or analyst of the service providing company. The requirement includes how the product will be used, and who will use the product to determine the load of operations. All informations gathered from this phase is critical to developing the product as per the customer requirements. Second one is design phase. The design phase includes a detailed analytics of the new software according to the requirement phase. This is the high priority phase in the development life cycle of a system, because the logical designing of the system is covered into physical designing. The output of the requirement phase is a collection of things that are required, and the design phase gives the way to these requirements. The design of all requirement essential tools such as programming language like Java, .NET, PHP, database like Oracle, MySQL, a combination of hardware and software to provide a platform on which software can run without any problem, is taken in this phase. Third one is build and development phase. After the successful completion of the requirement and design phase in design phase, the next step is implemented the design into the development of a software system. In this phase, work is divided into small units, and coding starts by the team and developers according to the design discussed in the previous phase, and according to the requirement of the client discussed in requirement phase to produce the desired result. And front end developers develop easy and attractive GUI and necessary interface to interact with backend operations, and backend developers to backend coding according to the requirement operations. All this done according to the procedure and guidelines demonstrated by the project manager. Fourth one is testing. In this step of completing a software system. In this phase, after getting the developed GUI and backend combination, it is tested against the requirement state. And in the requirement phase, testing determines whether the software is actually given the result as per the requirements addressed in the requirement phase or not. The development team makes the test plan to start the test. Thank you so much.